Hey Foodie Bays, it's Tuesday. That means it's time for tacos. Join the Foodies as we walk you through making this deliciously easy Crescent Taco Bake. Go ahead and grab your tequila.
Spilling all tea. What's up, friends? Spill it on me. Let's eat. Dinner's on me. What it's gonna be? I love a good kiki. We can talk ish, but first you gotta feed me. How you talking with your mouth full? Let's bring the vibe out more. We young and we outgoing. If it's going down, we gotta know it. And you know we lit. So how it started, never how it's going.
Foodies with the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies with the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies with the T.
I love a good kiki.
Foodies with the
We
T.
can talk ish, but first you gotta feed me.
Foodies with the T. Foodies with the T. Foodies.
All right, Foodie Bays. To start, we're going to brown our ground turkey. Put a little seasoning salt, garlic salt, and black pepper in there just to start it off. And then we're gonna add our taco seasoning. You can do as much or as little as you like for the taste. Gonna add a little bit more once I'm done cooking it, just to give it that bold taco flavor. So we're gonna mix that up, make sure we get it browned very well. While we're doing that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now we move on to putting our dough in the bottom of the cast iron skillet. You can use any type of dish that you like to make your shape in the middle. I just did a glass because I'm not going to serve out of this dish, but we place the dough around it just to create that hole in the middle so that it makes it easier for cutting. Now we're going to layer some cheese in the bottom of the dough. We're using Tostitos, queso. You can use any type of cheese that you want to put there. It can be shredded, or you can use the melted cheese already. You can also use the cheddar cheese. Then we're gonna place our Doritos into it. You can use any type of tortilla chip, but we decided to use the Cool Ranch and spicy nacho Doritos because we like the way those taste. But this gives it a little crunch at the bottom. Now we're going to add our ground turkey on top of that chip layer. You can really use any type of meat that you choose. Next time I'm probably going to do it with some shrimp, maybe some steak, chicken, but you get the idea. Add your meat. Now we're going to add some avocado ranch sauce made by Taco Bell. This sauce is A1. We're also going to add the chipotle sauce. You want to definitely add these to your Taco Tuesday routines. If you're making nachos, they're great. Then we're going to add some Mexican cheese by Sorrento, some shredded cheese. Just layer that on top of that sauce. Again, you can make it as cheesy or as saucy as you like. Turned out really, really good. Now comes the hard part, removing that object out of the middle, making sure that nothing falls down in the middle. Keep it clean, and we're gonna start tucking the outside portion of the crescent roll in. You're gonna make sure you tuck it up under the crust. Tuck, 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 tuck. Isn't that pretty? Now we're going to just wash the crust with an egg wash to give it that nice pretty brown color once it bakes. You're gonna preheat your oven to 375, and then we're going to set a timer for 25 minutes while that thing gets nice and toasty. The finished product is beautiful. Look at that color, the crust, the flakiness. It is delicious. We're gonna let it cool for a second, and then we are going to cut right into it. In the words of Antoine de Marcus, you see that ooey gooey goodness when we cut it. It is absolutely beautiful, and it looks delicious. Look at those insides. Oh my God. Cannot wait to dig into that. Now we're gonna top it with a little sour cream and Pico. and just dig in. That thing is beautiful. This is the Foodies Crescent Taco Bake. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you're following the Foodies on Instagram and on Facebook. Till next time, Foodie Baes.